guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha. Okay guys, so let's get into today's video. I'm going to be doing something so simple. I'm just going to be slapping on a headband wig. I've already put the headband wig on last weekend, and I just slapped it on and that was it. So I got this headband wig from Alipearl, and it was probably like $153 for 18 inches. And I also used this YouTube girl code. I got 10% off. Her name is Rachel Marie. I love her wigs. But yeah, so I got this from Alipearl, and the curls were like actually better than I thought. I thought I was gonna be a little skeptical because I seen some people reviews were like they didn't really like the curl pattern afterwards, but this will be my second time putting it on. I was rushing a little bit, so the first time I did put it on, I wasn't able to show you guys. So today will be my reveal. So as you guys could see in the first clip, I showed you how the hair was outside the bag with nothing being manipulated with it. And this is the hair now. And the curls are still intact, and it's super soft, like super soft. I like that. I've noticed that the curls kind of went away a little bit as I combed it out, but I'm pretty sure when I put a little bit of mousse on it, it'll still be good. But I love this. So let's put this bad boy on. Y'all, so I had to have my cousin do my edges because, like I said, if you're OG to my videos, I just can't. I can't braid and I can't do edges. I could just do hair. I guess that's one specialty I could do. But I had to show you guys this. Like, I can't come back to the camera and have flawless edges and y'all be like, y'all know, you know damn well you didn't do this. So this is the inside of the wig. It has the 3 adjustable clips, 3 in the front, 2 in the back. And then this is the part of the headband right here. And then also it came with, along with it came with like 5 other headbands. I thought that was really cool. And it also came with lashes. So one of them is like cheetah. Other one is like this color, but I probably most likely won't wear any of them. And it came with this. So it came with like 5 other ones. I thought that was really cool. Just like you want to switch it up instead of wearing that black part of it. I forgot to show you guys what I was applying in my hair, and I'm applying the Cream of Nature mousse. I love this mousse. I used to use the Lotta Body mousse, but I discovered the Cream of Nature mousse, and I really love this mousse. I like both, but the Cream of Nature I love the best. So I'm applying this mousse to my hair because, as I mentioned, I wore this wig last weekend and it just needed the curls to kind of come back to life, and this mousse is definitely doing this on this wig. Guys, so this is the end result of my hair, and I did not have to do anything. All I did was, well, my cousin did my edges, and you slap on the cap and then you put this bad boy on, and that's it. And this is one of the easiest, simplest style or whatever wig that I put on. No manipulation that I had to do with my hair or nothing, just slap it on, and it was just perfect. I love it. I love this hair too. The hair is like super soft. There's no shedding. I experienced a little bit of 1 or 2 hairs that came out when I was kind of combing it out and applying the mousse to my hair, but that's it. I kind of experienced the same thing when I do my own natural hair. Plus it's this curly hair, so that's what it's gonna do. I wore this wig, like I said once before, last Saturday, and I wore it for hours and I did not experience any shedding. It wasn't matted up like some curly hair is, and I didn't have to comb it or do anything with it. And this is my second time wearing it, and as you can see, I applied mousse and a little bit of water, and it is good. It's super soft, no shedding. Like this, I am like cheap when it comes to buying hair or anything like that, but I can say that this was actually a good purchase. I know I watch other YouTubers and I'm like, but that hair company gave you that wig, so you're just, you know, doing a review on it. But I spent my own money with this, and this is actually a good wig. I can say that, like, I spent a little coins on it, but it was actually a good wig, and I am happy about it. And I will purchase, if I do want another wig, I will purchase from Alipearl again. So money well spent. But yeah, so this is the hair, and if you do want to get the hair, I recommend it 100%. But as you can see, I did have other headband wigs. Headbands, not headband ones, headbands, and I didn't want to wear. I just wanted to have this to be subtle. It's black and it's simple, so that's it. But I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you. Merry Christmas, everyone. You're probably not going to see this until Sunday, but Merry Christmas. This is my little onesie for today. Yes, this wig is everything. Oh, oh. This is everything. I love it.